Hello and good morning to Cafe One. Good morning. The easiest way to start up a fire is with your beer box from last night.
I don't know how to do any of that stuff. That's just recording. That's the record button.
Looks aesthetic too. Let's start our day by starting this fire and let's turn on some music.
Started talking and wouldn't you trip if I'm too easy? I was in the barn, happy and went into the living in the house, and I got these two. The dance I'm smoking, big string kid, and backslap joking. I'm ripped all night, smooth, if it's so pure, so real. Woke up in a sweat, my taste was clean, everything else was like a surreal dream. Happy hour sushi, dizzy, so fishy and sad. Dog started talking and wouldn't you trip if I'm too easy was walking. I was in the barn, happy and willing to the loop of the house, and I got these
Let's see how our fire's looking over there.